As I speak to you right now, stocks have gone from negative overnight, slightly negative, rising early to mildly higher, but nothing that I would say is a convincing rally at this point. More seems like a continuation of some of the strong late price action that we got yesterday. As I speak to you right now, we've got the Russell up almost 0.7%, but not really holding in there too well. The Nasdaq up about 0.25%, and the S&P and the Dow both up 15 basis points. So between 1/10 and 0.2% higher. And yields are still heading mildly lower across the curve. The 2-year's actually up 1 basis point at 251, but the 5-year down 4 at 272, the 10-year down 3 at 273, and the 30-year down 4 basis points at 294. And the yield curve is a little bit flatter in the belly of the curve. 2s10s went from 26 to 22, 5-10s a little bit steeper, 5s 30s flat, and 2s 30s a little bit flatter as well. Now, as we look at energy prices, crude oil is still holding above that 110 level with a little bit of positive momentum to it, but U.S. natural gas prices up over $9, up over 5% for the first time on that $9 level since about 2008. So very strong natural gas prices, not really playing into the Fed's hopes of energy prices easing to help ease inflation. Some of that other data is, like we saw yesterday with the weak PMI and the weaker housing data in the US, that's going the Fed's way. But energy prices really strong, especially that natural gas component. Again, above $9 in the US for the first time since 2008. Looking ahead, we've got the FOMC minutes later today, which will be a big deal. Fed Governor Lael Brainerd speaking today. She may comment on those minutes. We don't know. Data tomorrow morning, we get average weekly earnings and retail sales from Canada. And then we get the second estimate of Q1 GDP quarter over quarter. And then we also get the quarter over quarter price index in those GDP set of numbers, pending home sales, as well as the weekly jobless claims.